Hi guys, Julie here again, coming to you from the renovation. I had a few contractors due to turn up today and do work, and three different contractors for different jobs didn't turn up. So luckily my two labourers did turn up today. It's been bloody hot again. We've just had a very hot summer, so I can understand why people aren't turning up. But yeah, so I'll tell you a bit more about what's been happening today, but I just thought I'd show you the front garden. One of my great labourers who's been doing a lot of the gardening found a lot of bricks around the place, so he's ended up making a garden border, which I think looks really good. It just defines the space a bit better now. And there was a lot of debris and grass and weeds and all sorts in here, so this is starting to look a lot better as well. It's really opened up and it just feels a lot more welcoming. We have transplanted a lot of plants. This one didn't do so well. It was a grevillea. Natives don't tend to transplant very well, but we thought we'd give it a go. So we'll need to put something in there, maybe find something else from around the place that we're not using. But yeah, so the interesting thing that happened over the last 24 hours actually is that an agent came to me and said that he has a buyer that's missed out on a property similar to this, but this one is actually a better property in some ways. So could he sign us up, get the listing agreement from us now and bring the buyer through on Sunday? He seems to think the buyer doesn't want to miss out again and will pay a very good price for it. So that has just been an interesting emotion, well, not really roller coaster, but you know, like a lot of decisions to be made really, like a bird in the hand kind of thing. You know, we've got a buyer, you know, should we sort of give them the opportunity? But as you can see, like, I think it's going to have to be a very creative buyer that is going to see the vision of this, because it really is still a building site. So at the end of the day, we've decided no, we're not going to do that. We're going to stick with our original plan to finish this property probably in the next 2 to 3 weeks and have it looking beautiful, with everything finished, staging, furniture, gardens, the full works, and then create that kind of competition and desire from buyers. So yeah, you know, it probably sounds like a, what's the word, obvious decision now that we've made it, but you know, when you sort of approached and said and told that you could probably just sell it, get it done and dusted now, it is definitely worth considering. But after consideration, we have decided we'll keep going, see how we go. So the patio guy didn't turn up today, but that's kind of okay because it's given me the opportunity to start painting a lot of these beams and rafters and stuff. So much easier to do when they're down here rather than already up. So that's worked out well. Yeah, so I'll continue with my painting. It's getting towards the end of the day, and I will update you. Well, hopefully I've got the patio guy turning up tomorrow, I've got the tiler turning up tomorrow, and by the end of the weekend things should be looking very different. All right, I'll see you later. Bye.